Every test in our lives comes to make us or break us. Every problem in your life comes to make you better or better. The choice is yours. You either be the victim or the victor. It is always obvious that human being will always experience extreme bad conditions. But these bad conditions, if properly handled, can turn out to be a blessing in disguise. Situations and challenges are meant to be there. That's why it is said, light can only be seen in darkness. So if you use the opportunities in darkness, you may become the light. So you either be the victor or the victim. I guess you would want to be the victim. That is all about the meaning of that word. Thank you.
You'll be robbed from us. I refuse to lose another friend on drugs. Just come home. Don't let go. If you look into the distance, there's a house up on a hill, guiding like a lighthouse to a place where you'll be safe to feel a grace, 'cause we've